Hi guys! For today's video is going to be my last holiday makeup, and I feel like this is going to be my most glam because we're going to put a pop of color on our eyelids. And in case hindi mo pa napanood yung first two installment ko, I'm gonna link it down below. Anyway, without further ado, let's start. I did my brows na, so I can proceed now with the eyeshadow. Again, get Ready With Me Radiance Concealer. I really love using my fingers and blending this concealer, you guys. Let it set for like a minute or two. For this look, I'm going to use yung Vice Cosmetics and Clits palette. It looks like this, and as you can see, I feel like it's divided into like 3 groups. And I'm going to use this one because I want to use that purple eyeshadow. Anyway, so first I'm going to do is get this shade muna. And I'm going to apply it at the hollows of my eyelids. This is going to serve as my transition shade. And then hindi na ako magpapakipot pa. I'm gonna go straight to the purple eyeshadow. Again, slowly but surely process. I'm going to apply it all over my eyelids. It's so pretty. Oh my god, the sun! I'm so sorry guys, hindi mo napantay ang lighting natin. Nabubulag ako. If you can guys, don't swipe the brush. As much as possible, medyo tapping motion. Get a smaller brush. Then I'm going to get this shade right here. And I'm going to apply it at the outer V para magkaroon ng dimension yung eyes natin. Okay, charot. Go get this dark shade na.
The snow is laying 2 feet deep. Now wish upon a falling star. So are your secret dreams.
Go get the purple eyeshadow brush and then blend a little bit more para maging seamless lang lahat. Using a flat brush, I'm gonna go get this one. Then slowly but surely put it all over the lids in a tapping motion.
Merry Christmas, baby.
Next, I'm going to do whatever I put on top, I'm gonna put at the bottom. Starting with the transition shade. Get a smaller brush. The bottom doesn't have to be perfect because we're going to clean it up with a wet wipe. And then of course the dark shade. Outer corners. And then of course the shiny shimmering glitter. With wipes.
Merry Christmas, baby.
Blend the outer corners nga pala. Pero hindi ganun ka-harsh. Get a black eyeliner and we're going to do a tight line. And then a little bit sa lash area. Pero dito lang sa outer half. I'm gonna go get a dark powder and smudge that eyeliner a little bit.
Merry Christmas, baby. Reindeer's coming out to play.
I'm going to use the falsies that I used in the previous video. Yung para dito lang sa outer. VT Cosmetics X BTS mascara. You can use whatever mascara that you have, Dai. I'm going to put mascara on my lower lash area. Now I'm gonna proceed with my face. First I'm going to do is primer. I'm going to use itong sa Sunny's Face Blur and Balm, the Perfector Face Lifter. I'm going to use the blur side. This is not my favorite. I'm going to use the Sansan High Definition Cover All Liquid Foundation with Vitamin A, C, E. I'm in the shade Beige, which is actually a pretty good foundation. It's affordable, buildable, medium to full coverage. You can use a brush or you can use your clean fingers to blend this product. Fashion 21 loose powder. I'm going to use a fluffy brush to lightly apply it all over my face. For contour, Vice Cosmetics Aura Contour in the shade Pore Sure. I'm gonna go very light and easy with this because it's not my typical contour shade. It's still too warm for me. For my nose contour, para maiba, I'm going to get this shade and this shade. Mix them together to get my perfect nose contour shade.
Now wish upon a falling star. So are your secret.
For the blush, Vice Cosmetics Aura Blush in the shade Applauded. And then I'm going to do the Igari style or applying it dito sa bandang ilalim. For highlight, ituloy-tuloy na natin ang Vice Cosmetics Aura Glow in the shade Splendid. Alright guys, so for the lips, I'm going to give you a couple of suggestions. So we're going to start with a natural-ish looking, and then a nudie lip, and then a really bold lip. How about that? Go get your sponge na ginamitan mo ng foundation. Get Red With Me Cosmetics Aqua Tint in the shade Millennial. I'm going to put it just in the middle. And then pucker up. Pinky finger to lightly, slowly but surely spread it. And then Vice Cosmetics Anclets Gloss. Alright guys, so this is lip option number 1. Let's go to lip option number 2. Ready, set, go. Silky matte lipstick in the shade Barely There. Guess what? First time to use, but it looks promising. Ay, doy, ang ganto. Look at that. It's nude with a little bit of peachy hue. I love it. And I love it on this eye look. I really like this lipstick. Now let's go to the third one, which is a deep color. Okay, charot. Mamaya na yung dark lippy. Meron pa ako isa pang gustong subukan. BLK Airy Matte in the shade Maple. Parang medyo bagay. Tingnan natin. Let's find out. Ay, oh. Nice. Okay, next. Kiss a Matte Lip Cream in the shade FTW. Alright guys, so this is the final lip color and this is like the deepest. Just in case you really want to go vava voom on New Year's Eve. Like you woke up and suddenly you want to slay everyone. Sana nabigyan ko ulit kayo ng option for your New Year's Eve makeup. And yeah, I wish you a Happy New Year. Pero hindi pa tayo tapos because magkakaroon pa tayo ng year-end special where I'm going to be sharing with you the products I've been loving for the entire 2021. So again, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye!